Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin. If you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this video, then please do consider subscribing to the channel down below. And while you're down there, hit the like button. Helps the channel out greatly. So in today's video, we're going to go back on the Ford Mustang. We're going to rip out the interior, probably the passenger seat. I might leave the driver's seat in just so I can move the car around. We'll remove the rear seats. We'll also remove them panels at the back, which I think they're called like rear quarter panels, maybe. Not too sure what they're called. And there's kind of like a parcel tray in the back. I don't know if that comes out. It's like dust anyway, so we'll try and remove that. If we can get all that out, we can fully assess the flaw of the Mustang and see what needs to be repaired and what needs to be replaced. Stay tuned. So to remove the seats, I've been told you need an extension because the bolts are quite high up in the actual seat riser itself. I've got this guy here. I have fitted it with a 11/16. We'll try that. If that is too small, we'll go up. But I think that should be the right size. Let's find out. Turns out it's a 1/2 inch. So that's to give us a bit more room. Also, I'm pretty sure this is the passenger seat, and I think this was the driver's seat because this should be on the outside and it should not lean that way, it should lean inwards. So these have been put on the wrong way around. So this, I think, must just pull up. Yeah, because there's no bolts, so it's pretty tight. Probably should be wearing a mask. We've had some mice have been nesting, I think. So we have a bolt and a bolt. Best to be safe than sorry, I think. Do you reckon it's up and pull, or just pull? Alright, so that's how you get the shocks off. That's interesting. That guy's a long way from home. I think I found this in that box. I didn't realise it's not the same. In fact, that's not even attached. Maybe that one was from the box and that was already on. Let's not lose these. Is that from that? So I guess these should be screwed in. Well, would you look at that? Is that the original that goes on here? That's different. That's different to that one. Alright, yeah, there's no threads. So that isn't correct. So this one must have gone there. I wonder if I pulled that from here, because that looks like that matches that, so we'll leave that there. And I'll have to order one of them because that is not correct. So I'm not entirely sure what they do, but I'll leave them in there so I don't lose them. So does this, that just slides out. Okay, so I guess from factory that would have came with a speaker. That's quite nice. That's actually pre-drilled. That could be an option. This window seal looks to be a bit suspect. Okay, so I wasn't quite sure what colour this was, but I guess we can call that white. Okay, now I've got some room. I think it's time to start peeling back some of this and just seeing how bad it is. Good to see some steel. This doesn't look too bad at all. So this window doesn't work. I wonder if it's because that and this is missing from in there somewhere. I already know that is no good. So we just need the front section. This seems to be okay. Already deemed this being junk. Definitely with this. And that's a hole, there's a hole, and there's a hole. I have to do a bit of research into this and see what could be a fault. For the time being, let's get this rust off and see how bad it is. So we're not looking too bad. Got some pitting here, so I can probably patch this bit here, so that should be okay. All this is solid, perfect metal all around. We've got some pitting here, but it's very light. We've got some pitting over here, but I'm not worried about that. And this metal is solid, absolutely solid, no rust. So we have good metal at the front of the seat riser, and on the firewall it's pitted slightly, but that should be perfectly fine. So we'll get a new pan for the front. Best check, undraw this and make sure this is okay. If that's okay, I'll know what to order. Surprisingly pretty good. Very little pitting. That's perfectly fine. Not happy with that side, but that's going to get replaced. A bit of Gorilla Tape and that should hopefully help a little bit. So I've got all the interior in the garage. It well, to me, I'm pretty sure this is original. Not too sure if there's any way to tell, but the old Hessian and the fact that everything's all kind of rotted away, that to me tells me this must be original. So we'll probably try and clean this up in a later video. Not too concerned about stuff like this because you won't really see it. The stuff you do see seems to be in quite nice condition. This has a faded look to it, which I quite like. So I don't think we'll be dyeing them or anything crazy. I think just a deep clean will probably be enough, and we'll get them put back in. So I have my shopping list now, so I know what I need to go out and pick up. So I think I'll go online and see what kind of deals I can get and get them ordered. But for the time being, guys, thanks for watching. Like always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.